Hi, ma'am. How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. I'm Officer Perez. I'm with St. Pete. Is everything okay?
Yeah.
I just noticed you almost hit the curb in my rear view, and then you were braking erratically. So I didn't know if you were having like a medical emergency or.
No, ma'am. I thought that hold on, I'll get my registration out. I thought that
I didn't know if you were having like a mechanical issue or a medical issue.
my license.
Okay. Are you still out of South Carolina?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And do you have your insurance and your registration card? If you have a digital copy of your insurance, that works too. I know a lot of people keep it on their phone these days, so. All right, sweet. Do you live here now, or are you still kind of, or are you just here temporarily?
Yes, ma'am. I'm in school.
Oh, okay. Cool. Give me just a second, okay? Could you be able to step out for me real quick?
You want me to leave the car on?
Yeah, that's fine. Whatever you want to do. So I'm just noticing some signs of impairment. I just want to make sure you're good to drive, okay? Would you mind if I take a look at your eyes? All right, so what I'd like you to do is walk to the front of my cruiser here. You'll just stand in front of my grill and then you'll turn and face me, okay? Do you suffer from any blindness?
I don't think so.
Okay, do you wear contacts or glasses on a regular?
Yeah.
Do you have contacts in right now?
Not right now.
Okay. So what I'd like you to do is stand with your feet together, arms down to your side. Do you see my light? What I'd like you to do is look at my blue light with your eyes only. Don't move your head. I'm just going to make several passes in front of your field of vision. I want you to look directly at that light for me, okay? Your eyes should just move independently from your head.
I might shake hand.
You're fine. Just continue to follow my light.
Yeah, no, I am, but I'm just like, I'm nervous.
Do you have any questions for me? I'm almost done with this part.
I'm just...
I'm just gonna go up. All right, I'd just like to verify all the information is correct on your driver's license, okay?
Yeah.
You can go ahead and... You said you're here, you're in school here?
I'm in law school, yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's your updated address? Do you have like a company mail down here? That's Tampa?
Tampa, Florida,
Okay.
33616.
Right. Your first name's Jillian, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a middle name?
Brooke, B-R-O-O-K-E.
And your last name?
Lail, L-A-I-L.
When is your birthday?
March 27, 93.
And about how tall are you? Just ballpark.
5 foot.
Okay.
I'm a midget.
And
I'm about like 120, 125 pounds.
okay.
But I think I'm probably heavier. I was fat.
What is your natural hair color?
It's like a dirty blonde. It's always been a dirty blonde.
Okay.
So it's like brown blonde.
And what color would you say your eyes are? Where were you born?
New York.
Okay.
Manhasset, Long Island.
And what's your phone number? Is your Lexus registered to you?
It's registered to my mom, but I'm a co-signer on the lease.
Okay.
We bought it, but I'm a co-signer because I didn't have enough. I was in law school, so I didn't have enough money.
That makes sense.
She's the main person, but I'm also on it too.
Okay.
So it might be Sue Mead, Sue M-E-A-D-E, as the insurance card, and the registration probably reflects Sue Mead.
Okay.
And they're in South Carolina.
Okay. What year is it?
It's a 2019 NX.
NX 300?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Black.
Do you feel sick or injured at all this evening?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any physical defects?
No, ma'am.
Are you diabetic?
No, ma'am.
Epileptic?
No, ma'am.
Are you seeing a doctor or dentist outside of routine care or anything out of the ordinary?
Just normal, no.
All right. Are you taking any medications?
No, ma'am. Just, like, normal.
Okay. And how would you rate your overall health, good, fair, or poor?
Like a 7 to 8.
Okay. Do you have any injuries that affect your day-to-day activities, like going to the grocery store or going to school or anything like that?
No, ma'am.
All right. So I do have 2 additional field sobriety tests. If you'd like to follow me over here. Are you comfortable in your slides? If you would like to keep them on, that's fine. If you'd like to take them off, that's okay too.
I don't know, I'm like jittery because I'm nervous with the police. Like I've never really been stopped before, but I mean, we can do whatever.
It's up to you, whatever you like. If you want to keep them on, that's fine. So I'm going to explain it and demonstrate it, and then I'll have you do it, okay?
Yeah,
So go ahead and
It's not the straightest line.
just use. It's just for a reference as a guide. Yeah.
I'm a law student, so like I pick up on shit. So, I
you know
mean,
what? Go to about here where it evens out.
okay.
Well, it's fine. You're just going to use this as a guide, okay? So the first thing I'd like you to do is place your left foot right on that line, right at the end of the line, okay? And then you're going to place your right foot directly in front of your left foot with your heels and toes touching and keep your arms down to your side. I would just like you to stand like that until I tell you to begin. Do you understand? Once I tell you to begin, you're going to...
I'm like jittery, so it's like making me move. I'm nervous right now.
Just do the best that you can, okay? So,
I mean, would it just...
So like I said, I'm going to explain it and demonstrate it. If you'd like to stand normal, that's fine. So when I tell you to begin from the starting position, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line, just like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9. Once you reach that 9th step, keep your front foot on the line, remove your back foot from the line to make a series of small steps to turn around, just like this. And you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps right back down the line, just like this. 1, 2, 3.
Just heel to heel and then just turn around, heel to heel.
Yes, ma'am. Once you reach that 9th step, simply step off the line. The test is complete. I'm an open book. Ask me whatever questions you have. I have nothing. I'm not going to gain anything from lying to you or trying to pull a fast one on you.
I'm not either, but I just feel like I'm so...
So the only reason...
I've never had to do something like this before. And honestly, like I have my puppies at home, and I don't know anybody here in the state, and I'm just trying to like, if it's better, if you just want me to fucking tow my car and go, like I would do whatever you guys. I don't like this. It makes me It makes me all just nervous because
So the reason I pulled you out is, like I said,
well,
I noticed some signs of impairment. Your eyes are bloodshot and watery, and I could smell the odor of an alcoholic beverage coming from your breath. Okay. So I was going to be proceeding with a DUI investigation due to those signs of impairment, okay? And then your driving pattern was a little erratic. I noticed you braking erratically, and then you almost hit the curb on the right side, okay? And I saw that through my rear view, so I had to slow down, okay? So that's just like the totality of everything just raised some concerns. So that's why I just want to make sure you're good.
I'm jittery as fuck. I've never been in this predicament before. I don't know what to do. I have my dogs at home I don't know anybody in this state. Like, I don't know.
Well, I have a couple more.
It's better if I just Uber. I'll do it. I literally just came from dinner with my friends. Like, I wasn't. I didn't even know.
So I have.
It makes me nervous because this is a crooked line. And I'm jittery. I know that I'm nervous. Because I don't I know even when I get stopped for a fucking speeding ticket, I'm shaking. Because I don't have these run-ins with police officers. Yeah. Regardless, right? So it just makes me fucking nervous. Just to do anything, because I just know that I know, because I came from criminal defense law. I know how this shit can be. I don't know what you guys want me to do. Yeah, so I just explained it. And I know you want me to walk on this crooked line, but like I said, I also don't. Just use it as a guide. It's just a reference point, okay? But what? While you're doing this, I'd like you to look down at your feet, count each of your steps out loud, keep your arms down to your side, and once you start walking, don't stop, okay? Is there anything you'd like me to clarify before you get started? So I have this walk and turn, and then I have a one-leg stand after this, okay?
I want to make sure you fully understand and you don't have any questions before you get started. Do you have any questions? Would you like me to demonstrate it or clarify anything?
No,
just do the best that you can, okay?
I know, I just have my dogs at home, and that's all I care about right now. Like, I don't care about anything that happens here with us and this shit and me. I don't care. I have 2 dogs at home that I don't know anybody here, so that's what makes me more scared, more nervous. I don't give a fuck about myself. Okay, whatever. You guys want to do whatever you want to do, but like, I just know that I have my 2 dogs at home that are unattended. Like, I don't know anybody here.
Yeah.
I'm here for school. That's it. I have my few friends that I went to dinner with. That's it. Like,
well, let's just finish this portion and we'll get to that after this, okay? Because there's really nothing I can do at this point about your dogs. Are you able to get back into that starting position for me? It's that left foot on the line, right foot directly in front of your left. Just like how I'm standing. Keep your arms down your side. Do you have any questions before you get started?
I just know that I'm upset right now. I just know that I can't do this. Like, I know that I'm fucking emotional and I'm just already nervous before you want me to walk on a straight line. Like, I know that to a T. Like, I am fucking, like, sir, I am nervous. Like, I'm shaky to begin with, okay?
Okay,
I took my Adderall today to fucking study for the bar exam. I'm fucking nervous, and then you want me to walk on a straight line, and that's okay, whatever, but like, I'm also just, in the back of my head is my dogs.
Yeah, just...
And that's my fault. That's my fault.
If you need to take a minute to take a deep breath and just collect yourself, that's fine, okay? If I had a bottle of water, I would offer it to you, but I don't. Just anything to make you feel better.
It's just like,
just do the best you can. Don't be nervous with us, okay?
I get I get pulled over for a speeding ticket. I get jittery as fuck because it's like the police. Like, you guys scare me. No offense.
You don't have to be scared of me. I'm probably the chillest officer here.
No, I honestly, I came from criminal defense, so I know a lot of cops, and I'm fine. Like, it's just the nervousness of being pulled over.
Yeah, I get it.
And I'm jittery, and then I'm upset right now because I'm thinking, what happens after this because of my dogs? Like, what happens because no one's there for my dog? And they are my children. Like, they're my fucking children. Like,
so I just have to...
That's the only reason why I'm upset is because if I do one thing wrong at this test, I know what's going to happen, and I know that my dog, that's like...
So, just so you know, if you refuse to perform the field sobriety test, you're forcing me to make a decision based on my observations up until this point, okay? Additionally, should you be charged with DUI, this refusal can be used against you in court, okay? So I just want to get that out there,
I understand that. I'm just telling you right now that I'm thinking about my dogs eat in a few hours for breakfast. My dogs are used to me coming home every night. There's nobody that I know. My mom isn't here. I have no fucking buddy here to go if something were to happen. I have nobody to come in.
We'll take care of that.
I cannot go to a fucking... Like, honestly, I've been in fucking criminal defense. I cannot go to a job. I will have a panic. Like, I know the type of people. I know what you guys deal with. I understand.
Yeah.
Like,
this is simply here to make sure you're good to drive, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I understand. No, I understand that. It's just making me...
The faster we get this over with, the faster we can move on to the next portion, okay?
It just makes me nervous because I feel like I'm incriminating. Like...
Well, I can't force you to do this.
I'm incriminating myself.
I can't force you to do this, okay?
Because obviously, like, you know what type of mindset. Okay, cool, but like, I just feel like I'm just thinking about the worst case scenario right now. And I know my dogs.
Yeah.
And my dogs are in real pregnant right now by themselves, like, it just freaks me. I'm not someone that, like, leaves their dogs unattended. I'm someone that takes their dogs to the dog park every day. I'm someone that is a good fucking person. Like,
yeah, I don't think otherwise. No, I never said you're a bad person.
No, I
you know,
completely understand what I get it. I'm just thinking in my head that it's just like all these tests are just, it's just,
they're not pass or fail.
Okay,
but like I said, I can't force you to do it. But whenever you're ready, okay. Since you took a minute, is there anything you'd like me to clarify?
Okay.
Do you understand everything that I just explained?
Yes.
Okay, so go.
I left foot, right foot.
Yes.
Turn around. Do I have to count my steps?
Yes. So you're going to look down at your feet, count each of your steps out loud, keep your arms down to your side.
1 foot.
Yes.
So this is
once
one.
You get into that, yeah. So the first step, that's
2.
1. That's going to be your first step.
So that's my first step. Hold on.
From that starting position. Okay. So yeah, stand just like how I'm standing, okay? So
this is 1 though.
That's not. So this is the starting position. Okay. That first step you take is going to be 1.
Okay.
Okay? Do you have any other questions? So you may begin whenever you're ready, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, so we're done with this. Don't worry about the line. If you want to come over here, I have one more test for you. It's the 1-leg stand, okay? So the first thing I'd like you to do is stand with your feet together, arms down to your side, all right? I would just like you to stand like that until I tell you to begin. Do you understand? Once I tell you to begin, you're going to raise either foot, whichever one you feel most comfortable with, okay? It's going to look just like this, approximately.
No, I know. It's just like, oh my god.
Yeah.
I never am like 1 cent. Okay.
Yeah, whatever foot you'd like, okay? It's going to be 6 inches off the ground like this, legs straight, arms down to your side, and you're going to look down at your foot. Okay. You're going to count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003.
Can I just do like 1, 2, 3, or do I have to do 1,000?
I just like how I explained 1001, 1002. Just continue to count like that until I tell you to stop. Okay. If you happen to drop your foot like this, which I don't want you to do, just raise that same foot back up and continue counting where you left off. 1004, 1005, and so on, okay? While you're doing this, I don't want you to hop around or sway or use your arms for balance, okay? Do you have any questions? Do you understand everything? Okay, so I'm on your time. I'm going to start my stopwatch whenever you raise your foot, okay? So you may begin whenever you're ready.
1001.
Yep, just keep going.
I'm not used to even like balance. Like when I balance on a boozy ball in the gym, my personal trainer is like, "What the fuck just happened?" Because that's not even me to begin with. I'm more of like a weightlifter, and that's it. All right, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1000. Stop. All right, so if you want to come back to the front of my cruiser, I have a couple questions I would like to ask you before I pulled you over. My questions are very direct, so I do need to advise you of your rights, okay, before I proceed with asking you any questions. So you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you. You can decide any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Having those rights in mind, would you like to speak with me? I don't know where I stand. To be honest with you, I don't know where I stand with you. And so, I don't know where your headspace is at right now.
Me? Well, I would like to ask you questions, but I can't.
To be honest with you, like at this point in time, this is my feelings.
Of course.
I would like to pull my car into this parking lot and just Uber home and go get my car tomorrow. If you want to arrest me, then I will pull my car over and I will just get in the fucking car at this point. I'm not even gonna fucking bullshit. Like, I'm not even gonna fucking do this shit.
Just ask me if you want to answer a question.
No, I know, I understand it, but I don't know where her head. Like, I don't know where.
She's gonna tell you what her head is when she asks questions.
I understand, sir.
But it's cool, all right. So what I'd like you to do.
I will answer whatever question that I feel comfortable answering. I don't know what questions you're about to ask me. So I know my rights.
Yeah. So you don't have to speak with me. You know.
Yes, ma'am.
Either way.
I know.
It's up to you.
Yeah.
Are you willing to speak with me or no?
I am willing to speak with you.
Okay. So where were you coming from before I pulled you over?
Cassis and St. Louis.
Okay. Did you have dinner or like?
Yes.
What kind of venue is it or restaurant?
It's just a restaurant. I literally just had dinner with my friend.
Okay. What did you have to eat?
Steak.
Steak
And French fries and oysters. Dozen rack raw.
Oh, that sounds good.
Creme brulee for dessert. I know exactly what I eat. I love my food, honey.
I
love what I eat.
The creme brulee is the
I
best.
had a dozen oysters raw. I had the steak fritters with the freaking French fries and ketchup.
I might have
and then I had my creme brulee for dessert.
That sounds good. That's probably my favorite dessert.
Freaking, and you know what? Like it's like I never treat myself. It was like a dinner that you just treat yourself. And
is it like a celebratory dinner, or is it just because?
It was just like we haven't gotten together in a while, and it was just like
Okay.
Like just because we both got races at work recently. And
oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so it's just, let's go out to eat and have a good meal.
Okay. Today's Thursday, did you have school earlier, or did you work earlier today?
So right now I'm bar prepping.
Okay.
I had work all day, and bar prepped after.
Okay, and then from work, did you just come down here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Throughout the course after work, did you have anything to drink? Any alcoholic beverages?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you taking any prescription medications? I know you mentioned
Adderall
to help study. Okay. Other than that, do you use like marijuana or THC recreationally or anything like that?
No.
Prescription?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Literally just Adderall on my birth control.
Okay. You said you have a personal trainer, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Crunch.
Do you typically have balance issues?
Yes.
Okay.
Especially with the boozer balls and stuff like that. Yeah, because I'm not one. I'm more of like a weightlifter that squats heavy weights. I do a lot of heavy weightlifting.
Okay.
As opposed to like balancing,
like yoga
or like dumbbells or yeah.
Okay,
exactly.
that makes sense. So I do smell an odor of an alcoholic beverage. Okay, so I know you have been drinking.
I had some wine.
Okay, all right. Just one glass of wine?
About 2.
Okay.
I would maybe say like 2.5, depending on the pour size.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Do you feel do you feel any type of buzz from it right now?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. On a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being completely sober, 10 being the most drunk you've ever felt in your life, where would you place yourself on that scale?
Like a 2 or 3.
Okay. All right. Okay. So what I'd like you to do is just face my windshield for me, all right? Just place your hands behind your back. You're in rest for driving under the influence. Well, I don't want you to drive any further.
Everything right now.
Yeah.
My phone and my wallet.
Everything will get taken and given to you, and then everything will work it out. Just
if you want to, you're allowed to make 3 phone calls if you need to call a friend for your dog to come over to your apartment.
You just work.
My one friend, but I don't know her number. It's on my cell phone.
Okay, that's gonna go with you. Okay.
Where do you live? The friends you went out with tonight, did they both help you?
Yeah, but I just need my number off the phone.
Okay. Do you have anything in your bra or anything? Okay.
How long until like the next
So from here, we're going to go down to the station for the breathalyzer, okay? After the breathalyzer, you'll get transported up to Pinellas County Justice Center. It's typically a minimum of 8 hours from the time that you're arrested. So from the time now, you'll be released 8 hours from now. So you have a phone, do you have a wallet in your purse that you'd like to go with you?
It's all in my front seat, and I would like to bring it, I would like to bring it with me, my car key, my wallet, and my phone.
Okay.
They're all in the passenger front.
Okay, just come to this back side over here, okay? We'll make sure everything goes with you.
I'm a little bit, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want you to bullshit me.
Yeah.
But
go ahead, have a seat.
I'm a little bit nervous because I don't need these handcuffs. I will comply. I have to have this for your safety.
No, it's policy. We have to keep in mind.
But I also am gonna not have if I have to go, because I came from criminal defense. If I have to go in general population, I will freak the fuck out. I already know.
I know that how they're gonna work up there. I really don't.
I understand, but I I know those type of, I've represented those type, I cannot,
I don't know what their policy is up there. I know you're going to get booked in, they'll get a photo, and then from there they'll make you change, but I'm not sure the housing or how they keep people typically. I'm sure if you raised your concern and asked the booking staff, it all depends on your attitude, I guess, when you get up there. Just ask them, say, hey, can I get a separate... just ask. I wouldn't hurt to ask.
Is it possible for me? My mom is out of state. My family, like, my friends, yeah, but they're pieces of shit friends. Like, they're not friends that I would call to trust any day of the week with anything. Is it possible, like, for me... Like, how, can I call my mom now? Like, can I just tell her, hey, Mom, I'm being arrested? Like, I need you.
I'll see what I can do when we get back to the station, okay? We have to head out from here, but I'll make something work out.
What's gonna happen with my car?
I'm gonna check it real quick,
Can
okay?
someone just, like, fucking, like, just pull it into the parking lot or something?
Yeah,
right
I can do that. It'll be right by Subway. That other officer can do it for you. I won't impound it, but it'll be there. I'll make sure I write down the address so you know where it is. To come get it in the morning, okay?
After failing the field sobriety test and admitting she had been drinking earlier that evening, Jillian was placed under arrest for DUI without incident. She was transported to the St. Petersburg Police Department, where she agreed to a breath test. Both samples came back at 0.155, nearly twice the legal limit. Jillian was then taken to the Pinellas County Jail, booked on a DUI with a high BAC, and later released pending her court date. Court records show that on December 6, 2022, she entered a no-contest plea, closing out the case.